Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. In this video, I am talking about how to make almonds naturally superior. To make almonds naturally superior, try this method. Number 1. Soak. Soak almonds overnight to improve nutrient absorption. Number 2. Sprout. Allow soaked almonds to sprout for 1 to 2 days. Number 3. Lightly roast. Light roasting enhance flavor and digestibility. Number 4. Pair with vitamin C. Combine with fruits to boost iron absorption. Number 5. Use almond flavor. Replace wheat flour with almond flour for added nutrients. Number 6. Choose fortified products. Optional for fortified almonds milk with added vitamins. Number 7. Avoid additive. Choose raw or lightly salted almonds to avoid excessive salt and sugar.